How to lay out pages in Squarespace. To do that, first head over to your dashboard or homepage on your Squarespace setup. Then click onto this website right here or click onto this edit site. This will open here this, so head over and click onto this edit option that will appear. Now we have in here our actual homepage. You can see that it's pertained by this part. So in order to lay it out, you just need to actually add some elements and then see its actual workflows. Click on this view layouts and then this will open the layout options that you can actually create. So as you can see for this particular section, it has this particular layout. And when you hover to another section, like for example in here this one, you can also view layouts available for this. Now under the layout, for example, you can head over and then view them and then apply them to your actual Squarespace. For example, I have in here this layout for this image on the left side. You can see in here some available layouts like zooming in those images and adding them on different options. So for this case, head over and just choose which one you want to utilize. And then as you can see, this will be applied. So that's how you lay out pages in Squarespace. Hope we helped.